Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is the viral Crab Rangoon Burrito. It's been a while since I've done a trend review, but as soon as I saw this online, I absolutely had to try it. The great thing is that it's really simple ingredients too. So jumping right in, let's prep everything. Of course, all of my measurements and ingredients will be down in the description below. First thing you're gonna wanna do is prep some green onion. So I am just going to take my green onion. We're gonna chop off the ends. Of course, I got my little basket here on the side. Check out the Amazon storefront where you can find that. Makes life so much easier when you are chopping, cooking, cleaning, whatever. So I am going to just take the green part and a little bit of the white part of my green onion, and we're just going to chop it really fine. Let's go ahead and scoop this into a larger bowl. You can also find this on the Amazon storefront for your bench scraper. Now the next thing we're going to prepare is our crab. Now, I will say I'm not a huge fan of using imitation crab because it's fake crab. But in this economy, there is no way I'm going to buy real crab. And it's a Crab Rangoon, which does use imitation crab. So for the sake of this recipe, I will do the imitation crab. And again, I've never made this recipe before, so I am dying to try it with you guys and show you how I make it. So I'm going to chop this pretty fine as well. I'm going to kind of just do like a rough chop like this. And then we're going to kind of go back and forth and get it into really small pieces. If you haven't already subscribed to the channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. We're just gonna keep chopping this as fine as we can. I am all about these recipes that are like, make it at home, like restaurant style, because the nice thing about doing it at home, at least you can make it based on your taste preference, and it's usually less expensive than going to a restaurant. And then it's just cleaner ingredients. So you can buy the ingredients that you want, you know exactly what you're putting into it. So I am all about that. I'm also excited to try something that's like a great party appetizer, something that you can just like make as a really quick snack that's really indulgent. Of course, this is not a low calorie meal or snack in any way, but it's really delicious. That's not the whole point of a Crab Rangoon. The whole point of a Crab Rangoon is to enjoy the indulgence of that cream cheese and the imitation crab. So we're gonna go ahead and add this crab to our larger bowl as well. To our bowl, we're also going to add some cream cheese. Now I'm gonna be using full fat cream cheese. Use whatever kind of cream cheese is available to you. The full fat's a little bit better because the lower fat ones are just thinner, just kind of like how milk is thinner. So that's just why I prefer to use this one. And I'm using the one from the container. I've let it sit out for probably about 15-20 minutes before I started this so that it can come up to room temperature and get a little bit softened. Before we mix this, I'm gonna add a couple more ingredients. So to the green onion, the imitation crab, and the cream cheese, we're going to add a little splash of rice wine vinegar, just a tiny bit. Little splash. Some sesame oil. Also not too much. And a tiny bit of sugar, just a little, just to give it some sweetness on the inside. There is going to be a dip that is sweet that goes with this, so don't add too much. Also, depending on how salty your cream cheese is, add a tiny pinch of salt. And we're just gonna go ahead and mix all of this together. What I also love about this recipe and what really made me want to try it is it's a very accessible recipe too. It doesn't use wonton wrappers like typical Crab Rangoons do. Not that wonton wrappers are hard to find, but it's just much easier to find like tortillas and stuff like that. That's just much more accessible. So I love to get those kinds of recipes because you just want to have something that's easy to make, that's fun to make. This is also something that's so simple that like you could do with your kids and they could just have a lot of fun with it. So all around, just a really fun thing to try. So go ahead, just keep mixing until everything is combined. And I added enough imitation crab that would be good for my preference. On filling, you can go ahead, fill it up with as much imitation crab or green onion, whatever that you want, whatever is your preference. We're ready to prep the actual Crab Rangoon burrito. So I'm going to be using a white flour tortilla. I'm using this brand, just use whichever one you have available to you. I love these Maria and Ricardo's white flour tortillas. I actually love all of their tortillas. I think they taste really good and they hold up really nice. You want one, it doesn't really matter what size you get. You can make like mini ones, you could do a larger one. I'm gonna be doing this medium size one. Again, just whatever your preference is. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna get a little spatula just to make it easier to spread this. So on my tortilla, I'm going to take that filling and we're just going to spread it out on the tortilla. You wanna leave about an inch away from the like edge of the tortilla itself. And just go ahead and spread this out. Also guys, make sure to press that share button, share this with someone who would love to have a recipe like this or to just watch a great recipe. Make sure to share my channel with them as well. Plenty of high protein recipes and just fun trends that we try on this channel. Okay, so I'm gonna make two, so I'm gonna leave this for the second one. And now we're gonna go ahead and fold. So I'm just going to tuck it in on the sides like this. And then we're going to kind of do like a half situation and then fold it again. So it's like that. So it's going to be pretty flat and I kind of like squeeze the cream cheese out like this. So it's super, super flat. And I'm gonna do that for the second tortilla as well. I've also seen some people cut off the edges afterwards. I'm not gonna do that because I don't want like my cream cheese to leak out. So this is just my preference for that. Also, while I'm preparing my Crab Rangoon burritos, I am also heating some avocado oil. I'm heating it on medium heat, just in a non-stick pan. Doesn't matter what pan you use, but I'm heating that up so it's ready to go for frying. And I would just use a neutral oil as well. You wanna use an oil that is has a high heat point that is safe to fry with. I wouldn't do olive oil. It also has just like a really strong flavor if you use olive oil. So I would recommend avocado oil. It's the cleanest one and it has a really mild flavor. You don't even really taste it. And let's go ahead and do the same thing. We're going to fold in. Yeah. We're gonna fold in and then we're going to do like that. Fold over and then fold over again. And we're gonna make sure that this is nice and even. Once your oil is hot, you're gonna go ahead and fry. So take your Crab Rangoon burrito and I'm gonna put it the fold side down first. And we're just gonna fry both at the same time. Let's do about a minute on the first side. After a minute, we're gonna go ahead and flip to cook it on the second side. Carefully lift up and let's flip that over. Let's do another minute on the second side. Let's flip it over one more time just to make sure that it is nice and crisp. We're just gonna do another extra 30 seconds on that first side again. I've turned off the heat. I'm gonna now transfer it to a paper towel just so we can kind of get some of that oil off, just to let it drain for a little bit. And then we're ready to dig in. And that is it, the viral Crab Rangoon burrito. I am so excited to dig in. I mean, this looks absolutely amazing. It's so crisp on the outside, nice and like gooey, warm, just like a Crab Rangoon in the middle. I'm pairing it just with some sweet chili sauce that I got from the store. I'm using this one. Doesn't really matter which one you use. Any store-bought one is fine, or a homemade one is fine as well. So excited to try this. Cheers, guys. Let's do a little dip in our sweet chili sauce. Cheers. That is absolutely everything that I wanted and hoped that it would be. This is amazing. The one thing I would say is it's super indulgent, so you could probably only eat it once in a while because it's like full of cream cheese, but it's super delicious. Win for me, and I will definitely be making this again. Thank you all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.